Hi Sagittarius, today I'm going to do general reading, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If you like my content, please do like the video guys, then it will reach more people and thank you so much for supporting me. If anyone needs a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. So first we will see general messages regarding your career and finances, then we will see love messages. So Sagittarius, fire sign, sun, moon, rising and Venus. So let's see the present situation regarding your career and finances and your present energy under the deck two of wands. Your present energy is justice, which means balancing your career at the same time balancing your personal life and professional life under the deck two of wands, which means you have two better options but you don't know which one you have to choose. So you are overthinking right now. Okay. So again, I told you so many times. Again, I'm telling before taking any decision, think twice because decision making will be the key. And the present situation, six of wands, judgment, and queen of wands. So right now, you got big success. If not, you're going to be because six of wands, or you're really working hard to get a big success to achieve big success. Judgment means clarity, decision making. Queen of Wands means you are right now focusing more on your passion, which is very, very good. If not, you have to. And invest completely energy on yourself. And you are right now realizing your value, your worth. And if you already got your success, enjoy your success, celebrate your success, which is very, very important again. Because celebrating success is also very, very important. So let's see the future energy situation. Ace of Wands, 10 of Swords, Page of Wands, under the deck, 10 of Wands. Again, don't take overburden on your shoulders, okay? Maybe right now or in near future, you will suffer, but every ending will have a new beginning. You're going to have a new opportunities because Ace of Wands, and you're going to get a good news regarding your career and finances. So whatever you're going through right now, it is going to pay for you in near future. So be happy, but don't take overburden on your shoulders, physically or emotionally. Be stable. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding your career and finances. Nine of Cups, King of Swords, and Strength. Your major wish is going to be fulfilled. Again, set and maintain boundaries. Be strong, be honest regarding your work or money. And strength means you have enough strength to deal with any situation that is coming towards you. So don't fear about problems because you are a lion. You will overcome no matter what. You don't know your hidden strength, Sagittarius. So let's see health forecast. Six of Swords, Seven of Cups, Page of Cups, and Six of Cups. So your health forecast is okay, but be peaceful. Don't overthink. Try to prioritize your mental health. Don't be in some confusion mode. When When you will in confusion mode, definitely you're going to overthink. Okay, so don't be in confusion mode. Heal yourself if you have any issues, anxiety, depression, overthinking. Healing is very, very important. Otherwise, everything is fine. So let's see love messages. Your person current thoughts. Your current thoughts. Your person present energy and your present energy. So your person present energy is Eight of Pentacles, which means they're positive and seriously thinking. Regarding you, the current thoughts, the Empress, Nine of Swords and Wheel of Fortune. They're thinking that you're very strong, but right now they're overthinking. They're taking time to get clarity. Wheel of Fortune, they're waiting for the divine timing here. So they're seeking clarity also. But regarding your relationship, they are overthinking. And your present energy is the moon, which is you are also overthinking, confusing. Your current thoughts, 10 of cups, death, and 7 of swords. Again, 10 of cups means you are thinking about family situation here. You have some trust issues regarding your person, and you have a lot of doubts regarding the relationship, like the future of this relationship. So definitely both want to balance the situation, or right now the situation between both of you is totally unbalanced. So no clarity. That's why they also overthinking and you also overthinking. And lots of you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, a lot of water energies here, especially Scorpio and Pisces. Then some of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign. So let's see your person next move. Knight of Swords, Three of Wands, Nine of Wands, and Five of Swords. They have deep, deep, deep regrets. They're feeling guilty. They want to communicate with you. They really want progress in this relationship. And some of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, states, or countries. Without you, they are nothing. And they know they made a mistake. Now they want to come and correct. And lots of you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, lot of fire energies here. So let's see what will be the near future outcome of this relationship and where this relationship is headed. 10 of Pentacles, 8 of Swords, Chariot, and Ace of Wands. You both will be stuck, but things will move slowly forward, and definitely stability or new beginning communication will be there, and clarified by Three of Swords, Knight of Pentacles, Two of Wands, and Ace of Swords. So definitely both will miss each other. Things again will move forward slowly. Clarity will come. But I'm not seeing major upgrade because things will move slowly but surely, but it's not completely ended. You both will have meaningful communication in near future. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding the situation you are in right now. Star, heal yourself, which is very, very important. 10 of Wands is all about like don't take overburden emotionally or physically. This is going to affect you mentally because 10 of Swords. So be present, just focus on present. Don't take too much stress. Don't be harsh on yourself. So let's see energy oracle messages. Patience. See, patience will be the key. Maybe lots of you, it is a testing time for you. Be patient. And action. If you want to take action towards something, this is the time. An angel of balance. You need to balance your personal life and professional life. And your angels has your back. The energy is gaining momentum. Wherever you're focusing your energy now, there is definitely energy is growing. Prosperity lies ahead. New moon in Taurus. Some of you are dealing with Taurus at side. So definitely you're going to attract a lot of abundance into your life. A win-win outcome is your forecast. Full moon in Libra. Some of you are dealing with Libra A sign. Karmic relationship, fleeting, triggers, turmoil, resentment, lessons, letting go and loving you. Cassette, outdated thinking, conditioning, replaying events over in your head. Mirror, mirroring each other, self-image, relationship, reflect our wounds. Interception. Playfulness, to recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. Honeymoon, enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. Under the deck, wedding, the situation involves marriage. For some, definitely marriage involved here, directly or indirectly. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. If anyone needs a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. Thank you so much.